Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to change motor preset. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and now go to Accessibility Presets. Go to Gameplay and switch motor preset between on and off. A group of common settings to reduce the number of actions and how much precision timing effort they need. All of these and more can be changed throughout the settings menu later. For example, if you select motor preset off, auto perfect cooling is off, NIX prompts are on, always sprint off, change hold actions to press off, shooting hold, castle sabak cheat minigame is on, fast stack is on, lockpicking difficulty is default, slicing attempts are default, galactic street food difficulty are default, and adaptive triggers intensity is strong. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.